Aloha! This video is going to be about my 5th travel nursing assignment, which was in Hilo, Hawaii.
Hilo is located on the Big Island, and we spent 3 months living there, hiking, snorkeling, and exploring.
Hi, I'm David.
And I'm Rachel.
And we are the Traveling Glossers. I am a travel nurse and can work anywhere in the United States.
And I'm an online English teacher, and I can work anywhere in the world.
We have been traveling since September 2016.
Since the day we got married. It rains a lot in Hilo, but there are some amazing waterfalls.
3 of our favorites were Akaka Falls,
Akaka Falls. Very high.
Rainbow Falls, and Umauma Falls.
Umauma!
It's fun to say.
We got a membership to the Hawaii Tropical Botanical Garden.
And it was just a beautiful garden to walk through.
Yeah, lots and lots of beautiful flowers.
And it gave you some good views of the ocean as well. We went there often. And there were also a couple waterfalls in there too.
One of the benefits of living in a rainforest. Really strong waterfalls.
Definitely recommend that place. When we think back at the Hawaii assignment, the first thing that comes to our minds is all the sea turtles that we saw.
We love the sea turtles. You can swim with them, and you can just see them everywhere. They are at every beach. It's just amazing.
I actually had a colleague that they called the Turtle Whisperer.
He took us to his favorite spot one day, which was
Carlsmith Beach. He would call them. He would make weird noises with his mouth and like tap the water. And at first we were like, is this guy for real? But sure enough, they came.
Yeah,
and we
they
went
came.
there twice with him, and both times he drew turtles.
It's very important that you don't touch them, so you just sort of have to let them be, but it's amazing.
Hey, buddy. Oh no, he's coming to me.
It's deja vu.
Hey, buddy. You're not gonna bite me like the other one did, are you?
He's coming to me, Dave.
Yeah.
Touch
She's sweet.
So cool.
Oh, Dave, that's you.
Another place in Hilo that we saw a bunch of sea turtles was the Richardson Ocean Park.
Yeah, they're just everywhere.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can't really see him, but 6, 7.
Unfortunately, there was a volcano that erupted in 2018 and it destroyed our favorite snorkeling place. We're still gonna share about it because we have all our favorite videos and pictures from there. What was it called?
The Wai'opae Tidepools. It was definitely my favorite place to snorkel.
I felt okay snorkeling there because the pools were shallow and there wasn't any like undertow.
Because some places we went snorkeling, I was a little bit nervous at times. Another place we spent a lot of time was the Hawaii Volcanoes National Park.
It's really, really big. There's a lot of different scenery, there's a lot of different trails, and you can see lava.
Kiholo overlook was really cool. It allowed you to see the crater, and you could even visit at nighttime and you could see the lava. It was pretty cool. I really enjoyed that.
And then our favorite hike was
the Kiholo Iki crater hike,
which was really cool. At first you're walking through the rainforest, but then you get to this giant crater and you just walk down into it. And this crater used to be filled with lava. Like it was a whole lake of lava at one point.
Another cool thing we did there was the Thurston lava tube. Just like a big tunnel that like lava used to flow out of.
Yeah,
you can walk through it now. It's really cool.
It looks like a cave and they have lights. It's really easy to walk through too. They make it really accessible.
And then there was a scenic drive you could take to get to the ocean.
Yeah,
but there are these really cool cliffs, and they're black because Hawaii is volcanic. Now the south side of the island had some cool things that we enjoyed seeing. There was the South Point.
Yeah, it's the southernmost point in the USA.
Lots more cliffs there, beautiful views of the coastline. There is also on the south side, Green Sand Beach.
Yeah, to get to Green Sand Beach, you can pay local people and they'll take you in a truck. But if you're really ambitious, you can just hike like we did. It was fun. It was a great hike. But then when you get to the Green Sand Beach, you just have beautiful views looking down into it.
And we also swam there too.
Yeah.
Of course. Now the north side of the island had two really cool valleys that we hiked into. First was the Wai'opae Valley. Great views. There's an overlook there.
Great hike.
The other one was the Pololu Valley.
Another great hike. We like to drive to Kona because Kona is sunnier, better weather.
But to get there, you have to go up like 7,000 feet.
On one of our trips, we stopped at
Mauna Kea.
And we hiked up the mountain.
And it was freezing.
That's all I remember is being cold, but great views.
Our favorite beach that we visited was Makalawena Beach. It was on the west side of the island.
Yeah, and it was just a series of beaches to get there. Like there would be a beach here, and then you keep hiking, and there'd be another beach, and then you keep hiking, and there'd be another beach. And we always hiked to the end, and it was less crowded, no people. It was really deserted. You could always see sea turtles. We went snorkeling.
Beautiful palm trees. The sand is gorgeous.
One time, we were hiking back and the sun was setting and it was so beautiful. We also really liked Kiholo Bay. It wasn't a beach, it was really, really rocky, but really unique. Like the rocks made it beautiful.
Rachel had so much fun there swimming. I got her swimming with turtles. And
little cute little guys.
Another favorite snorkeling spot for us was the Kikaua Point Park.
And you saw that giant
manta ray. Unfortunately, I did not get a picture of it.
Well, we didn't get a picture of that. But we did get some really cool pictures of us.
Yeah. Gosh, I love snorkeling that place. I know I said earlier that Wai'opae Tidepools was my favorite, but this is a close runner-up. Another snorkeling area that we really enjoyed also had like a hike to it. It was the Captain Cook Monument Trail.
Very easy hike to the place, but then on the way back, you're going straight up.
Yeah.
It was intense.
Another beach that we had a lot of fun at, and we snorkeled there a lot too, was Kahului Beach, which was in Kona.
Yeah, and there was a pretty good amount of people there, but there was still a ton of wildlife, like turtles and fish and beautiful things.
Did a lot of snorkeling in Hawaii, Rachie.
We're professionals.
Yeah, I miss snorkeling so much. It is, to this day, one of my favorite things to do. We also got to go whale watching.
The first 30 minutes of our trip, we saw 2 whales jump and then go down together. It was synchronized.
I hope we got a picture of that.
No one was ready for it because it was so early on in our trip that no one was expecting anything yet. It was the most amazing thing that you can only remember in your memory. And then we waited on the boat for like 2 hours until we saw more.
But we did eventually see more.
Yeah. We loved the Big Island. We loved snorkeling, we loved hiking, and we loved all the exploring.
Stay tuned for videos on Kauai and Maui.
We stopped at those islands after his assignment ended. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to
thumbs up and subscribe. And also look us up on Instagram.
Traveling Glossers.
Aloha!
So Dave, you ready to go back to Hawaii?
Yes. I think I gotta go start working on reinstating my license, Rachel. I'll talk to you in a little bit.
Okay.